welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to make a last-minute Valentine's Day centerpiece. My cousin was actually throwing these old Dollar Tree items away. They were used last year outside, and I figured I could repurpose them by just taking them apart and using the inside of the garland that didn't see the sun, therefore it didn't really get faded. I also reused the heart frame to create some pillow decor by just wrapping it with thick yarn and stuffing it with some cotton, which you can also check out on my channel. It should be uploaded as a short. This ribbon was also from the Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped it around a pool noodle along with the garland from the wreath I just took apart. And if you're seeing my videos for the first time, please hit that subscribe button below. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. I like to create Dollar Tree content using Dollar Tree items because I know we are all on a budget, and I have so many more ideas for spring I can't wait to show you. But feel free to hit that subscribe button below, and let's get on to the video. After wrapping all of this, I figured out that I didn't have anything else to add to this. I wanted to add some flowers, roses, so I knew a trip to the Dollar Tree would be needed. I found some of these heart lights, along with more ribbon, and then their flower section, and then many other Valentine's things that I didn't need, but ended up probably getting a few things added to. The first thing I did was, of course, cut off all of the flowers so I could stick them into the pool noodle. I did find the roses, and then I also found these little tiny hearts that I could also just add to add more color to the centerpiece. And then once they were all cut, I started just putting them in. At first, I wasn't going to do any type of pattern, but then eventually I just made my own pattern in my head and started following it. And then came the lights. They were just battery operated 2 AA batteries. I thought they were going to be a little bit longer than what it was, but it's okay. It works for the centerpiece. And I just untangled them, and then I tried to hide the battery box in between the ribbon and the pool noodle just so it's not too visible. But unfortunately they didn't come on a timer, so you have to turn them on and off, which is a little inconvenient. I really do like the timer setting, but it's okay. After creating the centerpiece with the pool noodle and flowers, I wanted to add some height, so I found these candles and decided to hand paint them with just some Dollar Tree acrylic white paint, and then I added pink polka dots later on. I never hand painted candles before, but it seemed pretty easy to do. If I ever made a mistake, I could just wipe it off with a tissue, or if I just wanted to start over completely, I wiped it off with a baby wipe and started over again. But for a simple last minute touch, I think they came out just like I wanted. As we wrap up, this is just a quick centerpiece for Valentine's Day with pool noodle, garland, some Dollar Tree flowers, and candles that I hand painted. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week with some more DIY crafts from the Dollar Tree. See ya!